In this video, we're going to look at how you can reclassify AR sales invoices or AP purchase invoices. Reclassifying enables you to edit invoices and adjustments for selected partially paid or paid invoices. This works in cases where a wrong department or account was allocated in that invoice. You will then reclassify that transaction and change the information, that invoice. Information that you can change when reclassifying, and there's information that you can't. So if it's in a case where you can't edit the information that you want to edit, then you'll have to reverse the transaction. So the information that you can actually change from reclassifying is your accounting information on partially and fully paid AR or AP invoices. You can change the dimensions and attachments, but the information that you cannot change is the amount, the date, the split lines, and to add a new line. In that case, then you'll have to reverse the transaction. So now we're going to look at where you can enable the reclassification function. So you go to Applications, Accounts Payable Setup, Configurations, and you scroll down to enable functionality, and on the release to pay, you enable reclassifications for AP purchase invoices and adjustments, and you save. So with mine, it's already enabled, and you save your changes, and you will have reclassifications enabled in your system. I'm going to look into an invoice that was already paid. I'm going to edit the invoice for Lenovo. And if you can see here, like in the invoice page at the top, you'll have different options, and you click on reclassify. You can change the invoice number, the reference, description, the terms, the due date of the term, and attachments. And you can change the account that you want to allocate the transaction to, and the dimensions can be changed to the correct ones. Let's say it was allocated to sales and you want to allocate it to marketing. The location, instead of South Africa, then you allocate it to Cape Town. And you can add as many dimensions as you want. You can add additional dimensions, add a memo, and then you post the transaction. So if I have to look at the transaction again to verify the changes that were made, you can go into the transaction and you can see that the department has changed to marketing and the location to Cape Town. So those are the only things that you can change when reclassifying a transaction. Should you want to change the amount or any other information that cannot be reclassified, then you'll have to reverse the transaction and make the changes that you're looking to make. And that's how you will reclassify AR and AP transactions.